This is a NovaCare Thought Leadership Series brought to you by the team building NovaCare Hospital Islamabad.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Kainat. Hi,
Hello.
Zahra.
Hello.
Welcome to yet another podcast from NovaCare. So, this is in continuation of the series of podcasts that we are doing to share with the world the kind of hospital that we are building. We take pride in telling you all that we are building a world class facility which is aiming to enhance the quality life of our communities, our families, and then also to provide an unrivaled professional environment for the healthcare providers in Pakistan. I'm Director Finance, Almas, and with me we have the nursing leadership, Zehra, and we have Kainat representing IT. So, we are discussing a very important theme today, which is how care, code, and cost come together to deliver service to our patients. Historically, hospitals have been considered to be working in silos. So, nursing talks about care, IT talks about systems and codings, and finance would talk about cost and sustainability. But the patient actually, who are our customers, they do not experience these different factors. For them, it is the quality of service that they are getting. It is the results that we are able to provide to them, the kind of care that we are able to take care of them. So, how to bring this together is something that we have taken on at NovaCare right from the start, and we will be sharing that with you today. So, first, let's begin with nursing because they are the key stakeholders in providing care to the patients. Historically, Zahra, nursing has been treated as not so important stakeholders. They have been considered a cost center, and if I talk about the accounting terms, they were treated as an operating expense. But now, as the world understands the importance of nurses, they are considered an asset, and an asset that generates value for the organization. So why don't you take us back into the evolution of nursing? I still remember in our childhood days, I saw TV plays and dramas where the nurses were called sisters, and they were not given that much respect the way they are given now. So
Yes.
why don't you take us through that journey and then also share how we are doing things differently at NovaCare. We are going beyond that thing. How are we doing that?
So thank you, Almas. And yes, you rightly said that in our society and culture, nurses are being taken, were taken actually, I must say, as a sister. And they are the one who compassionate and caregiver, but under the direction. So by the time it has been like with the time passage of time, people know that there is a career ladder in the nursing, and nursing are not limited to the patient care only. They are the educator now in academic. We can see the nurses are being PhD, so they are now doctor. They are involved in the decision making. They are involved in the quality projects. They are the part of the policies and procedures. So in every angle of or every aspect of the nursing care, because it's all finally nurses are the one who deliver the care. So if the nursing is not being involved in all the aspects, whether it is finance, whether it is IT, whether it is while like we are developing the hospital, we are construction in the construction, we are planning to give the quality care. So what will be the quality protocols and policies, how infections can be controlled. So the evaluation come when people realizes and nurses become more empowered and know how they can deliver the care, because previously when nurses were taken as they are the only one who just provide the care and under the direction, they are like taken as a servant of a doctor. So actually by the time it was not like that. It's like nurses plays role in all the aspects, and because they are the one who are delivering the care, so they were challenging, they were facing lots of challenges, like they'll not get the resources, they are not been treated in a very good manner, they are not being empowered, human resources provided limited, and all these kind of things that created a frustration in the nursing who are providing the care, and they are the frontliner. So slowly and gradually it came to know, like people realizes that involving the direct caregiver in all the aspect will help actually to everyone, and it help in the patient care and patient outcome. And then career growth, people have seen now nurses are working as a practitioner, they are the PhD holders, they are running their own clinics.
They're doing research as well,
Yes,
right?
they are doing their researches. So the from the sister to the stakeholders, now we are the stakeholders. So now nurses are not limited till that we are the one who take the instruction. We are the one who can, who are the advocate, and we stand up when there is some problem going on with the patient, and consultants and the physician needs to know about it. So they start discussing with the doctors, and if there are any recommendations according to her experiences and knowledge, so they are the one who is sharing. And now the important thing, physicians and everybody is realizing and accepting the recommendations and the suggestions when nurses are providing them in term of patient care. So now they are welcoming it. So because nurses, by the time they prove themselves, and there is a career path, so this is how the evaluation of nurses from sister to the stakeholders.
Happen, right. And I reflect upon few of the points that you mentioned. For example, nurses are the ones who spend most time with the patient. They are the ones who provide emotional support to the patient. So nurses have to be emotionally intelligent also, right? And then on the other part of it, they actually are the ones who impact patients' experience the most. For example, if the nurses are good, if they are providing good quality, if they have good listening abilities, the patient would be more likely to come back to the hospital for future care, for referring it to others. So it has an impact on the organization, huge impact on the organization, right? And then if there is any lapse on part of nurse, for example, if they are not vigilant enough, like you mentioned, infection control, then that could actually result in financial losses to the organization as well. It can bring in claims to the organization. So nurses are actually, yes, truly a greater stakeholder in the healthcare setup, and not just support to the doctor. However, still, and I was reading through some statistics, Pakistan has more doctors compared to nurses. And that has certain factors behind it still. In certain rural areas or not so developed cities, there is still this stigma attached to the nursing profession. And then there is this pressure on the nursing profession, because since we have lesser nurses, there are more people to serve, and then there is this burnout that we so often talk about, and then add to that the migration that is happening from Pakistan. And nurses, in fact, are one of those professions that have the highest percentage of migration from Pakistan. In fact, as per statistics, there is a 50% annual growth in the number of nurses that are leaving Pakistan over the last 6 years. So imagine the kind of emergency that I can say Pakistan is in terms of nursing care. So why don't you share on this, that what are the reasons of burnout that a nurse faces, and then why are they so moving out of Pakistan, and what is causing that?
Before responding to your question, I would like to ask something from you, that you are from the finance department, and I think you have experienced that when nurses are not being involved in the financial and budgeting. So what you have seen, what are the challenges? What you find that nurses are being facing most of the problem?
Right.
And
So-
when you start involving
Yes.
them, so what you find actually?
So it's not about nursing alone. It goes into every kind of a decision that happens in any organization. When those who are impacted directly by the decision, if they are part of it, then they would own the decision, right? If they are not part of it and something is being imposed, they might do it forcefully, but their heart won't be in it. And when your heart is not into something, you don't give the kind of output that that is required. And I can easily say that if a nurse feels that way, they might make an error in treating the patient. They might make an error in dispensing the medication. So that kind of risk cannot be taken. That has financial implication. on a wider level for the organization. Imagine if patients don't come in. Imagine if the readmission rates are low. Imagine there are other errors in medication. What kind of legal implications that would have for the hospital? So nurses, yes, they have to be part of the decision making. Everything that is going to impact them. And at NovaCare, I can say that I am witnessing that right now, because you are there. You sit in the decisions that are taken regarding the systems, regarding hiring, everything. You are there, fully into it. So I think that would answer your question.
So that's exactly what you have asked me. The
Ah.
answer is this.
Right.
Actually, when you take stakeholders along with you, they will be your good uh, person who deliver the most good thing to the patients or your customer, and then ultimately you will be having that financial impact. And the thing which you have said, that if patient is not satisfied, they will not come back, then the effect on revenue and everything, because then we are expensing but we are not generating
Yes.
any revenue.
Yes.
So it's really very important when you make them a partner and make them responsible, that this is your department budget. You have decided, looking at your resources, what actually you required in terms of material and human resources. So that's how you have present your budget. And then definitely there is always a difference of opinion, and we come to the conclusion that what is the good or in the benefit of the institution, and similarly it not affect on quality of patient care.
Right.
So yes, this is what I would like to say, and the exactly my answer was. And this is not only for finance,
Correct.
but I think Kainat, you also worked as a patient experience, and now you are working as an IT person, as far as I know about your patient
Technology.
experience. Yeah. So you are working in the technology, and previously you worked as in a part of patient satisfaction, and you were looking at all these things. What you have felt, and do you really feel that in IT department and implementation of EHR and everything, do you think nurses and physicians needs to be part of that?
I think that's a very important and a very cardinal question. So yes, I've worked in patient experience and I've worked in operations as well. So that gives me a view of the other side of the window, कि how people see it from that side. And now since I'm core part of the technology team, तो NovaCare का क्योंकि एक vision है शुरू से कि हमारी जो technology blueprint है या जो हमारा tech forward vision है, that should be aligned with the care that we intend to provide. जिस quality की care हम provide करना चाहते हैं, हमारे systems should be a digital twin of that. And that goes without saying कि किसी भी business के अंदर जो service या जो product आप बेच रहे होते हैं, that determines कि आपने अपने systems को कैसे decide करना है. तो we are in the healthcare business, and nursing and clinicians के बगैर तो the systems cannot be designed. Because at the end of the day, you are providing clinical care to the patients. So we have to make sure that all the clinical flows are aligned in a way कि वो patient को facilitate भी करें, patient का experience भी बहुत अच्छा रहे उस hospital में, आपके सारे quality parameters भी meet हो रहे हों, yet आपकी जो teams हैं, जो आपकी back office teams हैं या आपकी जो front end teams हैं, वो burn out ना हो. क्योंकि there is always a balance between the right use of technology and overuse of technology.
Yeah.
And you all must have seen कि बहुत सारी industries जो हैं, they are very quick to adopt technology. On the other hand, लेकिन जो healthcare है, इसमें technology बहुत slowly adopt होती है. And the reason is कि हमारे पास जो हमने अपनी service जिनको sell करनी है, that is patient. And any technology जो कि tried and tested नहीं है या जो कि अपनी रिलायबिलिटी प्रूव नहीं की जिसने अभी तक, उसको आप डायरेक्टली अपने हॉस्पिटल के अंदर लेकर नहीं जा सकते. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि वी हैव दिस issue with implementing technology in the healthcare sector, और हम at pace नहीं है with the global standards in the healthcare, yet we have reasons for that. We have to be very vigilant because we are working with the patients' lives. So आई थिंक यू वुड नो दिस बेटर कि नर्सिंग के लिए जब उनको अपनी केयर से हटकर टेक्नोलॉजी को अगर ज़्यादा यूज़ करना पड़ जाता है, एवरी क्लिक काउंट्स फॉर देम. सो आई थिंक यू कैन कॉमेंट ऑन दैट कि एक क्लिक जो हमारे लिए शायद वो एक क्लिक है, लेकिन नर्सिंग के लिए या क्लिनिशियंस के लिए हाउ दैट इम्पैक्ट द क्वालिटी ऑफ केयर.
Yes, that's what I would like to say. Yeah, Kainat, you are very much right. if you will involve the nurses in this, and yes, nurses are, I'll answer your question as well regarding the burnout. See, burnout comes when you are not having the resources. And if you are having the resources but in a not rightly way. So you are having the technology, but because nurses are not being empowered and they are not being involved in the health record system, so they'll not this will be difficult for them to utilize that system. So involving nurses, they will feel more comfortable because user friendly systems always works. So if systems are user friendly, your technology is user friendly, that help nurses, because we always feel like, in my experience, whatever I've seen, that nurses are not being empowered. So when we talk about empowerment, then there are many things comes into. So it's involving them accordingly. This will help everybody, that nurses can run the show, because we always say nurses are the backbone of the hospital, but that backbone needs everybody.
Right.
We, like, backbone can be straight only when everybody is with them and they are being, their suggestions, their difference of opinion are being welcomed, they are being respected. So that's empowerment which makes me attract to come to NovaCare actually. And as you said, you witnessed this since you joined. So yes, I am being involved. I am blessed that I am working in such a culture where nurses are being, they are not saying just in a words, it's in the gesture, it's in all the act, that I'm part of every decisions, like if it's the construction side, if there is any problem in the pharmacy side, whether it is IT, whether it's finance, whether there are policies and procedures, even the hiring and all. So this gives the empowerment to the nurses. And this will, I think, NovaCare is going to generate a good quality care to the patients, and that's the beauty I can see. I can foresee that, like, definitely if I am so much comfortable working with this team and in a culture, so my nurses will feel more empowered and they will also feel good to work in the environment. The burnout will be lesser.
Yeah.
Because they are satisfied, they are being involved, they know they are involved. Now they are responsible and accountable also for the things. So yes, and that's definitely the ultimate goal, is patient satisfaction and the quality of care. So that's what we can achieve.
That leads me to another thing. So this is quite reassuring कि एक तो ये होता है कि आप उस empowerment को खुद witness करते हो. The other thing is you intend to pass on that empowerment. So yes, all the nurses who are listening, you have a very good team and you would be empowered in how you intend to deliver quality care. सो यहाँ पर मैं अलमास के साथ भी इस चीज़ के ऊपर कनेक्ट करना चाहूँगी कि हम पेशेंट एक्सपीरियंस की बात कर रहे हैं, हम क्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, नर्सिंग केयर की बात कर रहे हैं. ये सारी चीज़ें तो फ्रंट पर हो रही हैं, बट पेशेंट को ऐसा लगता है कि ये हॉस्पिटल चल रहा है, बट इसके पीछे क्या है जो बैक ऑफिस की टर्म है. कैन यू प्लीज़ एलैबोरेट ऑन दैट एंड हाउ दैट इज़ कनेक्टेड टू हाउ द केयर इज़ बीइंग डिलीवर्ड?
So see, imagine a nurse dealing with a patient in any inpatient area, right? The nurse would be herself there. The nurse would be using different medical supplies. The nurse would be using the equipment. The nurse would be having certain protocols in place for infection control. These are just some of the examples that are coming together to help the nurse delivering the care to the patient. And to enable all of those things to come together, there is a finance team there is a supply chain team there is an IT team there is a biomedical team, and all other departments are there. Yeah, it takes a village to run the hospital. So they all come together seamlessly. That's important, because it has to be seamless. There cannot be hiccups in the care. So they come together seamlessly to deliver the service. For example, finance would ensure that the vendors who are providing the supplies, they are paid on time. Supply chain ensures that whatever the products they are allowing to come into the hospital, they are procured at the best quality and of course the best rates. And so would biomedical ensure that all the equipment is working accurately, because reading accuracy is important in the decision making for nurses and the doctors. So they ensure this thing. I would also like to continue from Zara's conversation about the burnout thing. Because burnout, yes, in terms of, as I mentioned, the scarcity of nurses that we have in Pakistan, that's a reason of burnout. But then also there is a general fear, I would say, that clinicians and the nurses have, that the more technology there is to use, the more the pressure is on them, because they feel they would be forced to use a technology, although in that is actually saving their time and making things easier for them. So how would you like to tell them that this is something not to be afraid of, to fear, but it is something to adopt and to use to the best?
बेसिकली दिस इज़ चेंज मैनेजमेंट. आप कोई भी नई चीज़ कहीं पर भी लेकर आते हो, चाहे वो टेक्नोलॉजी हो या कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट हो, तो यू हैव टू नो योर पीपल, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड योर सिस्टम्स एंड देन यू हैव टू सी कि आप उस चेंज को कैसे लेकर आ रहे हो. हेल्थ केयर के अंदर मोस्टली जो लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल चेंज लाने की कोशिश करते हैं, वी आर अ ग्रीन फील्ड हॉस्पिटल, तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें स्क्रैच से एक तरीके से सेटअप करने का मार्जिन है. बट अगेन हेल्थ केयर के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें इंक्रीमेंटल होती हैं. आपको एक एक चीज़ या एक एक प्रोसेस को अलाइन करना पड़ता है और अपने एक एक स्टेक होल्डर को उसके ऊपर ऑन बोर्ड लेकर आना पड़ता है. सो आई फील कि हॉस्पिटल की जो चेंज मैनेजमेंट है, दैट इज़ नॉट अ साइलोड प्रोसेस, दैट इज़ समथिंग जो कि इंटीग्रेशन में हो रहा होता है. और while you are designing your processes, while you are designing your hospital flows, तो वी हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड कि ये फ़्लोज़ किसी एक डिपार्टमेंट के फ़्लोज़ नहीं है, ये फ़्लोज़ किसी एक पेशेंट के फ़्लोज़ नहीं है. दिस इज़ हाउ द होल जर्नी इज़ गोइंग टू कम आउट टू द पेशेंट. आई थिंक इसकी सबसे आसान एग्जांपल ये होगी कि जब हम खुद एज अ पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल को विज़िट करते हैं, तो वी विटनेस द हॉस्पिटल एज अ डिफरेंट एंटिटी. बट वाइल वी आर वर्किंग इन द हॉस्पिटल, तो वी फील कि ठीक है, हम उठे हैं, काम पे गए हैं, प्रोसेस चल रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक जो कि मैंने जितनी जगहों पर काम किया है या मेरा अपना जो एक्सपीरियंस है, आई फील कि हम प्रोसेसेस तो बहुत परफेक्टली डिज़ाइन कर लेते हैं, लेकिन वो प्रोसेस सूटेड होते हैं फॉर योर बोर्ड रूम कन्वर्सेशंस, फॉर योर पिच डेक्स, बट प्रोसेस इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पेशेंट जर्नी. एंड द मोर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन दीज टू, उतना आप मिसअलाइंड होंगे पेशेंट की एक्सपेक्टेशन से. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड पेशेंट्स एक्सपेक्टेशन, यू नीड टू बी इन देयर शूज़. I think that answers your question, and that's
Right.
also part of the change management process, that you need to be open to changes.
True. And then I'm sure when you are implementing a system, you are also facing a challenge from the stakeholders. For example, let's talk about nurses. So how difficult it is to basically translate what nurses need to actually the system that is being provided to them, because सिस्टम में नर्सेस तो वो देखेंगे, एक स्क्रीन होगी, उसमें क्लिक्स होंगे, बट वो हर क्लिक के पीछे एक कोई लॉजिक होगा, और लेकिन वो लॉजिक शुड एक्चुअली कम फ्रॉम द नर्सिंग टीम एट द टाइम ऑफ डिजाइनिंग. सो वो हाउ डू यू क्रिएट दैट कनेक्शन एंड दैट सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस?
That's the interesting part. So when I started my career journey, हॉस्पिटल के अंदर जब मैंने काम करना स्टार्ट किया था, तो my first boss and my mentor as well, उनका ये ख्याल था कि किसी भी जर्नी को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए या ऑपरेशंस को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, यू नीड टू सी कि जो स्टेक होल्डर उस स्क्रीन को एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा है, व्हाट दे आर सीइंग. So you need to go to each and every department and see their screen and sit with them and see what they experience. उनकी क्या frustrations हैं, उनका दिन कैसे गुजरता है, उनको क्या request आती हैं. So now when I'm sitting on the other side of the desk while I'm implementing this system over here, so that experience gives me a lot of help in interacting with the stakeholders, because I understand their pains. I understand कि उनकी routine activities और उनकी operational activities are so humongous that they don't have टाइम कि वो बैठकर एक एक डेटा पॉइंट बनाएं या एक एक रिक्वायरमेंट आपके लिए बनाएं. सो वी नीड टू गो द अदर वे. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस एंड देन वी नीड टू डिज़ाइन द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोसेस अकॉर्डिंगली. और अभी तक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो हमारी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जर्नी है इन नोवा केयर, वी हैव केप्ट दैट इन माइंड थॉरोली. We have been interacting with all kind of stakeholders, including the back office plus the front end teams. And as interacting with Zehra, हम EHR implementation के अंदर बहुत frequently Zehra के input के ऊपर rely कर रहे होते हैं, plus हमारे पास clinicians का input आ रहा होता है. तो consolidating all of that and again consolidating in a way कि वो siloed ना रहे, integrated बने, that is a big challenge.
एंड ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ कि हर चेंज जो होता है उसकी एक कॉस्ट होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ वी आर टेकिंग अ सिस्टम एज इट इज़ एट द मोमेंट एंड ट्राइंग टू मॉडिफाई इट फॉर नोवा केयर, उसकी भी एक कॉस्ट है. एंड अगर वो सिस्टम लाइव हो गया और उसके बाद उसमें कोई हिकअप्स हैं या द नर्सेज आर डिससेटिस्फाइड या उसमें फर्दर मॉडिफिकेशन की नीड है, सो दैट वुड अगेन कॉस्ट अस. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो चीज़ डिज़ाइन हो रही है फर्स्ट टाइम ही वो ऐसा वर्जन क्रिएट हो which is which a happy version for all.
And I think Novacare ka vision, and even being a nurse, what I feel and we all feel, and when you definitely whatever you have shared कि जब हम जाते हैं तो हम कुछ और expect करते हैं जो हमारा as a patient अगर हम जाते हैं, so everybody wants, and we nurses also want, that we spend much time with the patient instead of sitting on the screen and not able to handle the patients. Actually, nursing job is not only that we are just going and treating patient, चले हाथ दें, हमने दवाई लगा दी, दवाई पी लें, ये कर लें. Actually ये एक ऐसा challenge है, एक I think on a lighter note we should finance should work as a nurse. Nurse can work, so we should if we'll go in other shoes, then you'll realize that what nurses are facing actually, because you all are a support provider and you are facilitating us, and that's really great. So वो जो है ना इमोशनली भी चैलेंज्ड होती हैं कि इमोशनली भी उसे देखना है, वो मेंटली भी उसके सेंसेस ऑल द टाइम एक्टिव रहें और वो उस हिसाब से पेशेंट के पास उसी हिसाब से टाइम स्पेंड करें. एंड दैट्स नॉट इनफ. नर्सेज नीड्स टू बी एडवोकेट एज वेल. अगर पेशेंट को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो शी कैन एक्सप्लेन टू द कंसल्टेंट or any other aspect. She works as an advocate, she works as an educator. So all these things, when it happens, when they are mentally not they're mentally
burned out,
yes, they are not mentally burned out. एक मेंटल पीस के साथ उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी होनी चाहिए और मेंटल हेल्थ कल्चर डेवलप करता है.
True. So basically,
ये इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाता है.
You are saying that nursing is a bridge between all kind of stakeholders in healthcare. And also that leads me to another conclusion. I feel कि हम अक्सर बात करते हैं productization of healthcare की, कि जिस तरीके से आजकल हमारे पास apps है, फूड पैंडा है या easy पैसा है, बहुत सारी services और products आपकी प्रोडक्टाइज हो रही हैं. हेल्थ केयर की जब आप प्रोडक्टाइजेशन की बात करते हैं तो लाइक एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट यू नीड टू हैव अ डिफरेंशिएशन स्ट्रैटेजी. एंड आई बिलीव कि नोवा केयर में आई वुड से दैट ओपनली कि हमारी डिफरेंशिएशन स्ट्रैटेजी यही होगी कि हमारी जो नर्सिंग केयर है दैट शुड बी एट पार. क्योंकि जो क्लिनिकल ऑर्डर्स होते हैं या पेशेंट के साथ वन ऑन वन इंटरेक्ट करना होता है या उनकी पर्सनल स्पेस में जाकर उनको कंफर्ट करना होता है, दैट इज़ रन बाय नर्सिंग. सो आई थिंक किसी भी हॉस्पिटल की जब आपने क्लिनिकल हेल्थ देखनी हो कि वो कितनी पर्सनलाइज्ड केयर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू सी हाउ विजिलेंट, हाउ क्वालिटी फोकस्ड देयर नर्सिंग इज़.
सो ये जो है मुझे एक और बैक जाने का मौका मिल रहा है जब वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि नर्सेज का टर्नओवर क्यों है, व्हाई दे आर नॉट रिटेनिंग. The actual problems which I think we already discussing, and it's mental health, definitely what kind of environment you are getting, the resources you are having it. आपका हॉस्पिटल आपको क्या कल्चर दे रहा है, आपके लीडर्स आपको क्या कल्चर दे रहे हैं. बिकॉज people leave the job not just because of the salaries, they most of the time they leave because of their boss, their leaders or their attitudes. So yes, our NovaCare vision, we all are, and even myself being a nurse, our first focus that we provide a quality patient care and safe patient care to deliver the safe patient care. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम इन सारे आस्पेक्ट्स का ध्यान रखें जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. और आई थिंक हम ये डे 1 से इस पे काम कर भी रहे हैं कि वी आर वर्किंग एज अ टीम. देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट नर्सेज आर लेफ्ट अलोन, वो साइलोज में काम करेंगी, हमने इनको जो देना है वो कर लेंगी,
ऑर्डर कैरी आउट करेंगे.
यस, हम सिर्फ ऑर्डर.
सो इसीलिए
वो सिस्टर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट काइंड तो टेक मी टू दैट सिस्टर.
सो इसीलिए हमारा जो मिशन है उसमें जब हम ये कहते हैं कि वी विल प्रोवाइड अनराइवल्ड प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग, दैट उधर nurses का career development is also an important thing for your goal as a chief nursing officer.
You know, पाकिस्तान में we have very good nurses.
Yeah.
लोग जा क्यों रहे हैं बाहर? आप देखें, वही नर्सेज हैं, पाकिस्तान की नर्सेज, आपको बहुत सारी नर्सेज आपको फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में मिलेंगी, और वहाँ जाके आप उनको देखें वो कैरियर ग्रोथ कितनी अच्छी करती है. यहाँ शायद वी आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग दैम, और इवन ये होता है कि शायद हम इतना मेंटली बर्न आउट हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू आवर लीडर्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट, ड्यू टू द कल्चर, वट एवर इट इज़. हम वो जो पोटेंशियल से प्रोडक्टिविटी है, जब हम बाहर मुल्कों में जाते हैं, वी आर अर्निंग बट वी आर ऑल्सो एबल टू ग्रो इन आवर कैरियर.
Yes.
So if we'll give them the chance here, they are very good nurses. They are being like appreciated in other countries. So why not our country will accommodate them as a competent nurse who can be involved in all aspect of the health sector.
सही.
सो जाने का मकसद ज़्यादातर इन्हीं चीज़ों पर होता है. तो हम अगर अपनी नर्सेस को रिसोर्सेज दें, हम नर्सेस ही अपनी जूनियर नर्सेस को आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रमोट करें और उनको वो करियर पाथ दिखाएं, उनको वो सपोर्ट करें, तो आई थिंक आवर नर्सेस आर much better than the other country nurses.
Right.
So that's why I think other countries welcome पाकिस्तान नर्सेज.
पाकिस्तान की साउथ एशियन नर्सेज या
Yes.
क्लिनिकल केयर जो है, दिस इज़ वर्ल्ड वाइड नोन. और ये जो अभी आपने कमेंट किया है, इसके अंदर दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं. एक ये कि आपने लीडरशिप की बात की है, कि आपने कोटेशन भी बताई है अबाउट मैनेजमेंट. सो आई फील योर मैनेजर और योर लीडरशिप हैज़ मोर इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर हेल्थ. ये कोटेशन भी है कि हैज़ मोर इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर हेल्थ देन योर डॉक्टर. सो आप किस इन्वायरमेंट में ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं और किस तरीके से आपको काम करने का इकोसिस्टम प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है, वो बहुत मैटर करता है. सेकेंडली, आई वॉज पार्ट ऑफ another conversation with a female-led group in STEM. So there was a very important talk over there जिसमें बात ये हो रही थी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों के काम करने के लिए पॉलिसीज़ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. और ख़ास तौर पे सिंस वी आर 3 women sitting over here, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि विमेन फैसिलिटेशन के लिए या नर्सेस को सपोर्ट करने के लिए पॉलिसीज़ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. द डिफरेंस इज़ कि उनकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कितनी हो रही है. कभी कभी ये बायसेस जो होते हैं, दीज आर अनस्पोकन बायसेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैटरनिटी लीव है, एग्जिस्ट करती है, लेकिन अगर कोई फीमेल मैटरनिटी लीव के बाद वापस आती है वर्कफोर्स में, हाउ वेलकम शी फील्स.
यस.
क्या उसको ये फील होता है कि आई एम लेफ्ट आउट, या उसको स्टिग्मेटाइज किया जाता है फॉर अवेलिंग द सेम पॉलिसी जो कि शी वाज पार्ट ऑफ, या जिसका बेनिफिट उसको पहले से ही दिया गया था. तो ये एक डिफरेंस है. और इसमें अलमास, आपके ख्याल में हाउ कैन वी प्ले अ रोल, सिंस वी आर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टेम फील्ड्स एज वेल, सिंस वी आर वर्किंग इन लीडरशिप रोल्स एज वेल, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ कैन वी प्ले आवर पार्ट ओवर देयर?
So I would take my answer from Zara's response, because it is our individual responsibility that we, being in a leadership position, we have to ensure that the team working with us gets the opportunity to grow, and that growth is not only in terms of just a designation growth, but actually fulfillment in terms of the experience that they get, the variety of exposure that they get, and then we should also be guiding them, in their studies as well. For example, if they are stuck or they have done something in their career and now there are changes in that studies or academically they have to improve, we should guide them, provide them enough time. We should ensure that they are not working off hours. So that is
Very
something
important.
that we have a responsibility of. And it's good that we have policies here. We are building policies which will all come together
And will work on their execution and
will
implementation
support this
as
thing
well.
for us. So let's make it a little fun. एक बात ज़ारा ने जो कही थी वो मैंने नोट कर ली थी, कि टू ट्रूली अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ डज द अदर डिपार्टमेंट फील, वी शुड मूव इनटू देयर शूज़. सो ज़ारा, अगर आप आईटी में होती तो आपको क्या चीज़ जो है वो सरप्राइज करती,
क्या सरप्राइज
हाँ,
करता
think of yourself
I
as
know your
कायनात
comment.
for a moment. Surprise क्या करता? And imagine कायनात, working with nursing team to develop the system, to do modifications. So how would that work out?
Okay. So IT works they are the facilitator actually. They enable us to work. So if I were in the place of Kainat or in IT,
हाँ, मैं तो प्योर कोडिंग कर भी नहीं रही ना, तो अगर आप समझे आप एक कोडर हैं तो
But you are the face of IT.
हाँ,
so
तो
will you
आपकी
code or not?
जिंदगी आपकी जिंदगी कैसी होती?
देखें, अगर मैं कोडर होती ना तो मेरी ज़िंदगी मुश्किल उस वक्त होती जब मैंने जिनके लिए मैं ये बना रही हूँ उनको मैंने इन्वॉल्व ना किया होता. ठीक है. तो यस, वही बात है कि बिकॉज आई नो माई चैलेंज, आई एम अ नर्स, बट व्हेन आई गो देयर आई रियलाइज देयर चैलेंजेस एज वेल. लेकिन मैं उसको और ज़्यादा इसलिए वो देखती कि अगर ये IT लाइक कायनात इज़ अ नर्स, अगर मैंने कायनात को इन्वॉल्व कर लिया ना इस कोडिंग में, या मैंने फिर क्लिनिशियन को कोडिंग में इन्वॉल्व कर लिया, तो मेरी ज़िंदगी आसान इसलिए इन अ वे भी हो जाएगी बिकॉज देन शी विल टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑल्सो, this will be a shared responsibility, and even I am able to facilitate her as a nurse कि वो अच्छे से अपना डिलीवर कर सके, अपने काम को परफॉर्म कर सके. सो मैं शायद उसको अच्छा सा इनेबल करती, मैं फैसिलिटेट करती, उसको उस डिसीशंस में बिठाती, बिकॉज डिसीशन मेकिंग में नर्सेस को बिठाना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल टेक देम they'll help you. If you'll not take them, they will not take the responsibility. Nobody will take the responsibility.
That goes for any stakeholder कि जितनी उसके अंदर इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है डिसीजन मेकिंग में किसी भी स्टेक होल्डर की, उतनी ओनरशिप आपकी शेयर्ड होती है.
So Kainat, what if you step into my shoe?
वाओ. आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हमें थोड़े कुछ घंटों के लिए ये मौका मिलता है टू स्टेप इनटू वेरियस शूज, कभी नर्सिंग के, कभी फाइनेंस के, बट आई बिलीव इट्स अ lots of
and
maths.
I'm actually surprised with the way you comment on financial aspects. So I find a support in IT team, and that's the good thing where IT works as a supporter. They understand our pain points, and then they're able to translate that into the way system is being coded. मैं अगर ऐड करूँ तो मुझे नर्सेस का जो रोल है, I find that very challenging या scary, because I would be responsible for somebody's life, क्योंकि कुछ भी थोड़ा सा एरर है, लाइक अगर मेडिसिन डिस्पेंस करनी है और उसको सर्टन वो mg की एक्यूरेसी तक ही जाना होता है, राइट. सो उसमें थोड़ा सा अगर ऊपर नीचे हो गया, सो दैट वुड माइट रिजल्ट इन डेवास्टेटिंग इफेक्ट फॉर द पेशेंट. क्योंकि अकाउंटिंग में देर आर एरियाज जहाँ पे हमारे जो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स होते हैं वो अलाउ करता है कि हम मटीरियलिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ कर लें. सो कभी हम राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं, वी डोंट हैव टू लाइक लुक एट द थिंग्स एट द ज़ीरो लेवल. लेकिन मैं उसको सोच रही थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ नर्सेज. सो नर्सेज कैन नॉट डू दैट. आपको अगर 2.5 mg देना है तो 2.5 mg ही देना है. It cannot be any different. So a lot of responsibility on you, and that is why again it is important that the code, the care, and the cost factor they come together, because I understand, at many times people have this complaint from finance also, कि finance says no to incurring expenditure. But then finance also has their reasons for it, because finance चाह रहा होता है कि एक decision ऐसा लिया जाए जो risk ना ले रहा हो for the organization, and that allows the organization to make enough profits to give back to the organization to continue the care, to maintain the care level that we are providing. So towards the end, Zara, if you have to give one message to all the nurses जो कि बाहर जा रही हैं या बाहर जाने का सोच रही हैं, या they are feeling कि नहीं यहाँ नहीं रुकना पाकिस्तान में, what is one thing that you would tell them to convince them to
और
stay
अगर
back?
उनको नोवा केयर में आपने बताना है कि what kind of environment we are going to give them once they are in Nova Care.
Yes. So my dear nurses and my colleagues, I must say that we Pakistani nurses are far better than the foreign nurses जो मैंने देखा भी है, and I can see the people, the nurses are excelling in their profession. So I think return it to your own country instead of going out. Yes, I do understand. We face lots of challenges. We burn out at times because of double shifts, because of other reasons, many other reasons. So I think Nova Care is the hospital. It's in affiliation with the Imperial College in the NHS Trust के through. So I think this is the best hospital. I feel I joined because I have joined here with the concept of the leadership that empower the nurses, and then like involvement of the Imperial College, and I'm part of all the clinical planning with them. It's really I'm feeling so good. Instead of I don't feel to go out to any country. I feel I'll to serve to my country only. And if I'll get the collaboration or affiliation from the outside, like UK, from the UK Imperial College UK, so I think you guys are doing a very good things. You are doing a good job. It's not an easy job, and I like you see Kainat and Almas also said that it's a very challenging. And yes, this is for us. It's a very challenging job, but I think it's our passion as well when we have joined the nursing. So we are into it. We know how to handle the patients. Minor things can bring differences in a good and a positive and a negative manner. Doses कम हो गए तो patient के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है. And if you'll give a good quality care, patient take the word out from the hospital that this nurse was very good. You should go to this hospital and do meet with this nurse. So हम में से सबको पता है patients appreciate us. So वो healthy environment, वो empowerment I can feel and I can sense in this hospital. तो अगर आप मुझे देखें तो मैं सिर्फ अपनी बात नहीं करूँगी. यहाँ अलमास ने भी विटनेस किया है जो उसने अभी पहले बताया, और इवन कायनात ने भी, कि नर्सिंग को हर फॉरम पर इन्वॉल्व किया जा रहा है. सो यू कैन जस्ट थिंक कि एक नया हॉस्पिटल जो बन रहा है, जिसको हम बनते हुए देख रहे हैं, उसका हर डिपार्टमेंट फील दैट नर्सिंग प्लेज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. They are not only giving the patient care, but how to ensure that patient care is quality care, how they are involving themselves that in the construction part, in terms of the pharmacy, in terms of the IT, in terms of finance.
They have a say in it.
So yes, so in every aspect we are being our suggestions and decisions are being taken. So we are the decision maker as well. So I really appreciate if you don't feel and if you serve your own country and don't go out from your country, and look at such institutions like NovaCare, who is having this vision and mission in their like hospital. So this is all about. I would like to say my nurses.
Interesting.
Thank you so much. So thank you, Zara, for that beautiful message. I hope you have now understood that how well the code, the cost, and the care team works at NovaCare, and that you will experience that once we start our hospital. Thank you so much for joining, and continue with us. We have other podcasts also coming up shortly. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.